back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to track pipeline stages in Pipedrive. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Pipedrive. Once you tap open your Pipedrive, you can make sure that you can simply track pipeline stages in Pipedrive by using the pipeline view to see deals as they move through customizable stages, using filters to focus on specific users or data, and checking the insights report for progress metrics like value and number of deals. Now, to see the stage total value, simply hover over the stage title. After this, you can simply track your pipeline stages in Pipedrive using the pipeline view. You can also use the filters and reports to get more insights about your deals and progress. You can also set it up later for better tracking. You can set up probability and configure routing days. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.